Good housekeeping is essential to a safe die casting operation. It greatly reduces the potential for accidents and injuries and is good for morale and for presenting proper appearance to visitors and customers. These hazards on floors, stairs, and walkways look bad and can create tripping, slipping, and falling hazards. Debris around machines and equipment can cause problems with machine and equipment operation and create safety hazards to operators and maintenance personnel. So eliminate oily and wet surfaces on the machines and machine components such as electrical conduits, hydraulic water and air hoses, and operator platforms. Keep the floor free of electrical cords, too, and store them in an orderly manner. Drying compound should be applied immediately to wet or greasy floors to prevent slips and falls. Floors should be steam cleaned regularly. Tools and materials should be organized and stored in cabinets, containers, or specific areas provided to eliminate clutter, to reduce the chance of an injury, and for finding tools and materials quickly. Housekeeping should follow a regular schedule like at the beginning or end of a shift, and regular housekeeping audits should be conducted throughout the facility to ensure that the required standards are being maintained.
A lot of information has been presented in this program to help you become aware of potential safety hazards and to stay safe at work. However, if something does occur that results in an accident, injury, or damage to property, you should immediately report it to your manager right away, no matter how minor it may seem. We hope this program will serve as an effective reminder to you to think and act safely with everything you do. This video was made possible through a grant from the R.L. Harville Foundation. To find out more about die casting, contact NADCA